Right, let's start again. We do this every morning class. I know I didn't greet you, but I'm very tired. I didn't get enough sleep, and every day is the same thing. So let us do the questionnaire. You know the questionnaire already because you came through and your temperature was taken, and I was asking you all these questions. So Johnny, I'm starting with you. Can you indicate yes or no? We know the drill, right? Do you feel sick? Do you have a sore throat? Do you have a cough? Do you have shortness of breath? Have you been in contact? Let me move on to the next person. Yes, Chanel. Do you ever feel sick? Do you have a sore throat? Do you have a headache? Do you have a cough? Or have you got shortness of breath? And were you in contact with anybody? No. Johnny, on that side, please, will you stop shouting? Will you stop pulling Mary's hair? I told you we don't treat people like that. We want to treat everybody respectfully. Remember, I filled out an incidents report for you last week. Now I'm going to have to do another one, Johnny, and then I'm going to have to phone your parents. I'm going to have to send them a WhatsApp and tell them that you are misbehaving. So let me put this. I'm still going to have to do the incidents report. And then you at the back there, Crystal, you've been absent for 5 days. I must still find out why you were absent for the 5 days. Can you please just keep quiet and see if you can catch up with the work that you see people are doing? That doorbell, Peter, just open the door there. There's somebody at the door. No, ma'am. Morning, ma'am. No, ma'am. I can't do another survey. What is the survey about, ma'am? Is it again about textbooks? What must I say about the textbooks? Ma'am, you know we have a shortage of time. Come, hurry up. We've got a lot of work before our interval. So let me just continue. Peter, can you tell me why you are throwing papers around in the classroom? That is not right. We want to learn here. This is a learning space. I can't help if this is happening. Look at the time. We're almost finished. We're almost having interval again. You're still busy performing with me. I can't seem to get the work right. You can all go out to interval. Yes, I'm on interval duty. You saw my roster. I'm going to be there. So I must see that you don't fight and you don't perform. Yes, no, you know by now I can't eat. You know that there's no time for me to eat because I must be ready when you come in again. Okay, you're back in the class. So let us see if we can now do some technology. Yes, take out the books and let's see if we got the technology. There, the time is over again. Goodness me. See you tomorrow. Right, I need to go to a workshop. Every day I go to a workshop. I can't discuss things with you. I can't talk to you. The intercom, yes sir. What? Yes sir. I'll be tuning into Microsoft now. Yes, I'm aware that I have to attend that online meeting. I'm going to sit in the meeting. Thank you, Klaus. You can go off. I'm going to be sitting in this meeting. Yes sir, I know it's going to take about 2.5 hours.